Swiss chard, often overlooked in favor of more popular greens like spinach and kale, is a powerhouse of nutrition that deserves a place in your diet. Known for its vibrant, colorful leaves and thick, crunchy stalks, Swiss chard is not just a feast for the eyes but also a treasure trove of health benefits. In this article, we will explore the many advantages of consuming Swiss chard, its nutritional profile, and some delicious ways to incorporate it into your meals. Nutritional profile of Swiss chard. Before diving into the health benefits, it's essential to understand what makes Swiss chard such a nutritious vegetable. It is low in calories yet high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. A 100-gram serving of raw Swiss chard contains calories, 19 protein, 1.8 grams fat, 0.2 grams carbohydrates, 3.7 grams fiber, 1.6 grams vitamin K, 830 of the daily value DB vitamin A, 122 of the divide vitamin C, 50 of the divide magnesium, 37 of the divide iron, 22 of the divide potassium, 21 of the divide. With such an impressive array of nutrients, Swiss chard stands out as an excellent addition to a healthy diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Swiss chard is packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Oxidative stress can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. The antioxidants in Swiss chard can neutralize free radicals, reducing cell damage and promoting overall health. The vibrant colors of Swiss chard's leaves, ranging from dark green to deep red, indicate the presence of these powerful compounds. 2. Supports bone health. One of the standout nutrients in Swiss chard is vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone health. Vitamin K is essential for bone mineralization, helping to bind calcium to the bone matrix. A sufficient intake of vitamin K can reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis, particularly in older adults. Swiss chard's high vitamin K content makes it an excellent dietary choice for maintaining strong bones. 3. Aids in blood sugar control. Swiss chard may also be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those looking to keep their blood sugar levels stable. Studies suggest that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties in Swiss chard can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels. Additionally, the high fiber content in Swiss chard helps slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels after meals. 4. Promotes heart health. The heart-healthy benefits of Swiss chard are attributed to its high levels of potassium and magnesium, both of which are essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Potassium helps to relax blood vessels, reducing tension and lowering blood pressure levels. Magnesium, on the other hand, is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those that regulate heart rhythm and blood pressure. By incorporating Swiss chard into your diet, you can support cardiovascular health and potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Enhances digestive health. Fiber is a vital component of a healthy diet, and Swiss chard is an excellent source of this nutrient. A diet rich in fiber helps promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and supporting overall digestive health. Additionally, fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy microbiome. The high water content in Swiss chard also aids in digestion, making it a hydrating and soothing choice for the digestive system. 6. Boosts immune function. Swiss chard is rich in vitamins A and C, both of which play a crucial role in supporting the immune system. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy mucous membranes, which serve as the body's first line of defense against pathogens. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections. Including Swiss chard in your meals can give your immune system a significant boost. 7. Supports eye health. The presence of lutein and zeaxanthin in Swiss chard also contributes to eye health. These two carotenoids are known for their protective effects against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They help filter harmful blue light and reduce oxidative stress in the eyes. By incorporating Swiss chard into your diet, you can help preserve your vision and maintain healthy eyes as you age. 8. Promotes healthy skin. The vitamins and antioxidants found in Swiss chard can also benefit your skin. Vitamin C, in particular, plays a vital role in collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and firmness. The antioxidants in Swiss chard help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants, potentially reducing the signs of aging. Additionally, the hydrating properties of Swiss chard can contribute to a healthy, radiant complexion. 9. Aids in weight management. For those looking to maintain or lose weight, Swiss chard can be an excellent addition to your diet. It is low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied without overeating. The combination of fiber and water content in Swiss chard can promote satiety, making it easier to manage portion sizes and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. 10. Versatile culinary uses. Swiss chard is not only nutritious but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its mild, slightly earthy flavor makes it a great addition to a variety of dishes. Here are some delicious ways to incorporate Swiss chard into your meals. Sautéed. Quickly sauté Swiss chard with garlic and olive oil for a simple and flavorful side dish. Salads. Add raw Swiss chard leaves to salads for a crunchy texture and vibrant color. Smoothies. Blend Swiss chard into your morning smoothie for an added nutrient boost. Soups and stews. Incorporate Swiss chard into soups and stews for added flavor and nutrition. Stir fries. Use Swiss chard in stir fries along with other vegetables and your choice of protein. Pasta dishes. Toss Swiss chard into pasta dishes for a healthy and colorful addition. Conclusion. Swiss chard is a nutrient-dense green that offers a wide array of health benefits. From promoting heart health and supporting bone strength to aiding digestion and boosting the immune system, this leafy vegetable is a true superfood. With its vibrant colors, versatility in the kitchen, and impressive nutritional profile, Swiss chard is a fantastic addition to any diet. So next time you're at the grocery store or farmer's market, consider picking up a bunch of Swiss chard and enjoy the numerous health benefits it has to offer. Eating healthy doesn't have to be bland or boring. Let Swiss chard add a pop of color and nutrition to your meals.